Okay, we have Avalon Sailing Club, Sunday the 26th of February, and first race in the afternoon. We have spirals 801, 640, 899, 827, 813 and 906. Close to the pin, it's going to be fairly tight. The short line's quite short, 1893. Coming this way on port is a laser finishing in 8681. Aero 2488 is also on the line. It's going to be tight, and they're talking about not barging on the back of the boat. Dylan needs to get out of there on port. That's a bit scary. Time to go is 15 seconds. Nearest boat to the line is Laser 681. Boats behind the boat are fairly clear, but it's going to be fairly tight. Clear start. Sunday the 26th, we have two open skiffs coming in for a start, around about 30 seconds to go. I think. Oh, he's going to do a jibe. Back. And run into the back of my start boat. Jeepers creepers. You okay? All right. 20 seconds to go. Nearest boat 8752, near the pin. Going a bit quick, I think you're going to be early. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yep, I'll call that a clear start, it's close enough. Let's get going. Set forward, get going. Come on. They don't know where they're going and they're to engage. We have roughly 1 minute 20 to go. Wind's freshened in a little bit. It's up around the 12 knots. Start line is quite short for the number of boats. And the course is fairly short as well, so it's a fairly tight race. It's 1 minute to go for the open fleet coming up to a start. Looks like it might be our coaches down there on the laser, possibly, not sure. Okay, we have 30 seconds to go. A lot of action behind the boat, which is not surprising because the line's fairly short. Most advanced is the NS 1893, coming up behind them, laser 254. And then 827 and 801. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Clear start, beautiful start by Laser and 801. At speed start by 906. Interesting how they almost sailed over the top of the other two, just from a speed perspective. The rest got trapped in the dirty wind. It's 1 minute to go for race 3, and we currently have no one on the line. Nearest boat is the Spiral, which is miles back, and the Laser that's miles back. Dylan, power on, get up here, 1 minute. Nice little pile happening behind the start boat, but nothing too serious at this moment. We have roughly 30 seconds to go. Line is clear. Boats are lining up behind the start boat. Nearest boat to the pin's probably the Spiral 899 and the NS underneath them 1893, and then 827 going for a gun start again. And at the far end we have Tony in 640 going for the pin and going to be early. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, one more hoot. One more hoot.
It's not on bell.
That'll be 6:40, and they're now clear. Clear start.
9,
Singing going past.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
So race 3, we have 1 minute to go.
1 minute to class flag removed and
1 minute to go. 50 seconds to go. That's so cool. Oh, coming in on port, sounds a bit of a challenge. Okay, 8301 is on the line, is over the line. 8301 is over the line.
30 seconds to class flag removed and sound.
30 seconds to go. 8301 is back.
20 seconds
Nearest
to
boat,
class flag.
8301, 1 boat length back. The others are well back from the line. 8301 is now over the line again. Needs to come back before the start. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Clear start.